favorite monkey is going bananas with all new TV adventures on DVD. Share these important moments in your child's life with Curious George over and over again, like making new friends, going back to school, celebrating a birthday, special bedtime moments. Good night, George. Look for them all on DVD. Plus, collect your favorite TV episodes now on DVD. All aboard for fun and adventure. Little engine.
Morning.
Up early again?
Just getting a jump on the day.
The little engine that could
Let's roll.
comes to life in an all-new movie. Tell me you don't think about pulling a load someday.
Little.
Share the beloved story with your family. If you think you can, you will. When dreams and toys need to be delivered, Little Engine.
I'm on it, boss.
It's up to Little Engine to get them there.
Wow, wasn't that exciting?
Making new friends along the way. And learning that with courage and determination, anything is possible.
I believe in you. I think I can. I think I can.
Featuring the voice talents of Whoopi Goldberg,
We are delivering dreams.
Jamie Lee Curtis,
Really? That would be great.
Corbin Blue. Epic news! The Little Engine That Could. Bring home the all-new movie on DVD 2011.
Coming 2011.
In spring 2011, Barbie lets you in on a secret. A very secret. Barbie, a very secret. Coming to DVD spring 2011.
This is the Agent Code 2011, coming fall 2011 DVD.
Chuck E. Cheese's proud supporter of PBS Kids. She wants all the parents to know giving their kids a lift, a push, a kick, a hand is a fun way to help keep them active and fit. PBS Kids, where a kid can be a kid. Rainforest Cafe, proud sponsor of Curious George, reminding you that anyone can make the world a brighter place by conserving our natural resources.
When you're saving one can, you're saving two cans.
Okay, guys, so that was it for my Curious George, A Bike Ride Adventure 2011 DVD. Okay, see you next time. Goodbye.